Hey guys, so I finally got my 2024 planner from the Paper Bunny. Okay, probably need a pair of scissors for this. I'm gonna try with my brute strength. Oh. Oh. So, yeah, I'm gonna open it to a random page, and this is daily reminders. Wow. So, I think today is the 5th or 6th of January. Certainly not before the 1st of January. Oh my god. I'm sounding like those anime introductions that say the obvious, but anyway, I have a tendency to get my planner a little into the year. Like, I mean, it's still in January because so that my year starts later, so that I have a longer year and holiday. So, yep. I really like this. I mean, that's why I got it, but because I bought the planner, they gave me a free gua sha, which I don't really know how to use, and this is my first time. Oh, look at this! Aww. Oh, this feels so nice. Like, I wish there was some way you could feel it through the screen, but it's the Paper Bunny. I don't. I have to search out how to use this, but it feels so nice. And I also got a book, The Other Side of Happiness. Yeah, I think it delves into the more pathological analysis of hedonism, which is something I am curious about. So, yep. Thank you for watching my little haul. How's 2024 so far? So this is my yoga fit for today, and my yoga instructor. She does a really good downward dog, right? Well, she doesn't want to go to work. Hi guys, so please pardon my face and my hair, and see that back stand over there? We're gonna declutter that, and I'm just hoping I'll find some money inside one of those bags. But it does look like one of those overgrown, untrimmed trees, and I like, if I see there's a tree, I wanna... We are gonna tidy that back stand. She needs to lie down after hearing that. Ooh. But I cleared everything out, and it's just the feeling of finally doing something that you've been putting off for 2 or 3 years, and it's a relatively simple task, but it becomes so insurmountable in my head as it became very insurmountable in my head as time went by. Yes. So I've divided them into 2 piles. These are the ones that I'm gonna wash with detergent, and I'm just gonna like clean these by vacuum or something. Let's go. It's looking like I don't really have to clean these myself. Someone decided to do it for me.